Welcome to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft Outlook on your Windows. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open any of your browsers and search for Outlook Download for Windows. Firstly, you need to open any of your browsers and search Outlook Download for Windows. Click on the first option that pops up after searching. Then, it will lead you directly to the Microsoft app site. Step 2. Open Microsoft Store and install Outlook. After going to the Microsoft apps, you just simply have to click on the Install button here. Then, tapping to install will give you the option to open Microsoft Store. You just simply have to click there. It will lead you to the Microsoft Store. Step 3. Tap the Get button and install Outlook. After going to the Microsoft Store, you can see this Get button here. Just simply tap into the Get button, and after a soft processing, it will directly start the download of Outlook and install in some moment. Now, you can use your Microsoft Outlook in your Windows. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in another one.